So kids, now we learn more new lines. This is slanting lines, backward slanting line. This is forward slanting line. So kids, how we draw this line? Look at here. There is one boy. He go outside the wall. He wants to see the mountain over there, but there is no mountain. So with the help of this backward and forward slanting line, we draw here mountain. First we draw forward slanting line, then backward slanting line. So kids, look at here, the mountain is there. So the boy was happy. These both are slanting line. This is called forward slanting line. This is called backward slanting line. Or we can draw more two mountains or here. Again, forward slanting line, backward slanting line. One more, forward slanting line, backward slanting line. So these are called slanting line. There is no another line here. No standing line, no slipping line, only forward slanting line and backward slanting line are here. Now look at here. This activity, here you have to recognize the backward slanting line and tick them. Here you have to trace the forward slanting line and backward slanting line. With the crayon's color, you have to first trace the dots over here. Then practice more. Here also. This way, backward slanting line. Now we learn one activity over here. Sand collage, forward slant line. Apply glue on the line. Glue. This line given here, you have to apply the glue on the line. Sprinkle some sand on it. Sand. Sand means mitti. You have to sprinkle some sand. Sprinkle some sand over on this line and press with your finger. So you can draw forward slant line. Look at here. First you have to take some glue and some sand. Then you have to apply glue on that line. This line given here. Then sprinkle some sand. Now you have to press the finger. So look at here in the fourth picture. Look at here. You can draw the slanting line. This is called forward slant line. Now another activity is pasting ice cream stick backward slant line. Apply glue on ice cream stick and paste it on the given line. Look at here. First picture. You have to take some ice cream sticks and glue. Take one ice cream stick, apply glue on the stick and paste this ice cream stick on this backward slant line. Okay kids. Now we learn standing line, slipping line, forward slant line and backward slant line. You have to practice more over here with the crayons color.